Cody, what are you gonna do today?
I guess I'm gonna show you guys how to cut down a chicken, you know, the odds and ends and out. We're gonna start with cleaning it out. You wanna get rid of your neck. And I always start with my legs away from me so that way I can cut down the sternum.
I'd say a sharp knife might be important here.
Oh, it's very important. It'll give you a tough time if you ain't got that. So you're gonna wanna pull this chicken skin apart, and sometimes it can get tough, so that way you can find your breast. And you're gonna wanna pick a side on the left or the right of the sternum, and you're gonna come down, and you'll find your tenderloin. And on the back side of that's gonna be your wishbone. So you're gonna wanna make sure you cut around that, and you'll have you a nice chicken breast. And then next you'll have you a nice tenderloin. So then after that, I'll flip it over and take my legs and thighs and my wings off. Actually, I've only been cutting chicken for about 6 months. I've done beef primal for 2 years.
Looks like you've got the hang of it.
The legs and the thighs are a little trickier. You're gonna wanna separate your skin so you can find your bone. You're gonna wanna pop that out. And there's your basic cuts right there. You know, after that, you're not gonna have nothing. This will be for your chicken stock or anything like that. So you just wanna get rid of that. And then on your legs and your thighs, you're gonna wanna pop them out again. If not, you'll cut right through the bone. You won't be able to tell. And it's not always as easy as that. Sometimes you just gotta find the groove and get in it. And there's your basics of cutting down a chicken.
Thank you so much.